Welcome to EngLingo QuizZone.
Conjunction.
Total questions, 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck.
I like him because he's honest. She wanted to come, but she was busy. We can watch a movie or play a game. I'll go shopping when I get paid. He didn't come, although he was invited. I wanted to buy it, but I changed my mind. You can't enter unless you have a ticket. I like to swim and run. We will leave early so that we can catch the train. She's friendly because everyone likes her. I stayed home because I was feeling sick. She wanted to go, but she was too tired. Call me when you arrive. We can eat now or wait until later. He studied hard, so he passed the test. I won't go unless you come with me. She smiled, although she was nervous. Finish your homework before you watch TV. It was raining, so we canceled the picnic. I like coffee and tea.
How many questions did you get correctly? Share your score in the comments section below.